Natural language quantification is a product from Data Science for All. It permits to find patterns, topics, and concepts in documents, quantify money, votes, views, and likes generated by the topics, and assists you in the creation of high-impact documents. It can be applied to any activity described by words and quantified by numbers. I will now demonstrate how it works on a case study, a topic modeling of the National Science Foundation grants. NSF supports the progress of science by giving grants to laboratories, and for instance, if you click on this document, you see that Susan Marcosi got $1.2 million to study protein folding. To perform NLQ, we need a number, here 1.2 million, and words describing the activity, the abstract. If you read the abstract, you can find topics. In blue, molecule, protein, folding, another topic about education undergraduate students, and one more general about biology, biophysics project. We can find these topics because we understand the natural language. But how can someone who does not speak English or a computer learn these topics? We use latent Dirichlet allocation, a generative model where the only observed variable, in gray, is a word. We are then going to draw a per-word topic assignment distribution. It's a step where we choose the color for the word, and a per-document topic proportion, which is simply the histogram here. We have applied NLQ on more than 5,000 awards in the biological science department, and here is the topic composition. We identify that topics 21, protein, structure, molecular, and 22, students, undergraduate science, that compose Susan's grants. NLQ permits to find the keywords that produce money. Susan's grants has generated $1.2 million. If we look at the topic proportion, we see that topic 21 constitutes 50% of the documents, so we assume that it has generated half of the money, $600,000, and it overlaps with topic 22 and 14 for 400 and 120K. By summing these quantities over all the grants, we obtain the total amount of money generated by each topic. We see that topic education has generated the most money, around 350 millions, while protein has generated $100 million. We are now going to focus on the 10 topics that have generated the most money, such as education, genetics, cell, evolution, and use circular plots to represent the money generated by each topic and the interaction between topics. For instance, protein has generated 100 million and overlapped with education for 50, modelization and cell for $10 million. Therefore, protein grants that generate money also contain the words students, undergraduate, and data, develop, model. Data are everywhere and they are for everyone. Natural language quantification can help you better understand what you and other people care about. You can go to ds4all.io and find free educational material to simply learn more about data science, code your own algorithm, or if you are not into programming, you can simply upload your data and obtain a report that you can keep private or share with the DS4All community, your friends, colleagues, so that they too can benefit from the data science revolution.